Hello, welcome to the 2025 Global Neurodiversity Conference put on by Autism Tree.
The conference was definitely encouraging to show that there's a community that's interested and highly invested in understanding more.
So happy to be here today at this neuroscience conference. Every year it gets bigger and bigger, and it's global at this time. I'm so proud to be here.
So I think there's this wonderful sort of interweaving of hearing from scientists who are giving you traditional research presentations, but also hearing from people with lived experience and getting that nice intermingling of both all in one space makes this such a unique conference.
I think it's really important for people to attend these conferences to really know what's going on currently and what the current research and information is.
It was incredible. All of the research and all of the science was very, very informative. And as a researcher myself, it really opened up my eyes.
We just had a panel on the non-speaking community. And the importance of the panel was not only to give people a sense that those in the non-speaking community are competent and they think and they have significant intelligence and should be understood, but to understand them, you need to take the time and have the willingness to do so. And that's really the key, is you need to put people in a place where they can communicate, and then you understand exactly where they're coming from.
We're all coming together. We're sharing our thoughts, our research, our ideas, in my case, art, to bring people closer, lessen the degree of separation, and help people to connect with this community in a greater, broader sense.
Through our partnership with University of California Television, UCTV, this conference has become a force multiplier. Turning an event that was once impacted a few hundred people into one that now inspires hundreds of thousands. This platform gives our neurodiverse community, including our multi-modality communicators, a place to share their brilliance with the world. Many of these individuals are now connecting with best-selling and Pulitzer Prize-winning authors, scientists, and advocates, forming collaborations that are changing the narrative around autism and neurodiversity. This year, we're especially proud to debut our first short documentary film inspired by one of our Autism Tree families, a powerful example of what happens when community and creativity come together.